If you're craving the creepy this Halloween, zombies bring the perfect mix of horror and fun. From crawling limbs to eerie lighting, zombie decor can turn your space into a full-blown apocalyptic nightmare. Whether you're going subtle or full gore, these zombie Halloween decoration ideas will bring your haunted vision to life, or rather, back from the dead. Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started. What zombie decor works for parties or indoors? Try bloody table runners, brain-shaped treats, caution signs, and syringes as drink stirrers. Add themed labels like zombie virus or antidote to bottles for a playful, spooky look. Hosting with horror? Like this if your party's undead ready. What props bring zombies to life in the yard? Use crawling zombie torsos, foam gravestones, and hands reaching from the ground. Add dirt piles or shredded grass mats to suggest they've clawed their way up from underground. Yard crawling with creeps, like this if you're going all out. What DIY zombie crafts can I try? Make zombie hands with gloves and papier-mâché, build cardboard tombstones, or use pool noodles for broken bones. Paint brain-shaped candles or create creepy eyeball wreaths. Crafting the creepy? Like this if you're going hands-on this year. What details add realism to zombie scenes? Add fake blood splatter, dirty footprints, shredded clothing, and cracked props. Use bone fragments, cobwebs, and even dripping slime to bring a gruesome, authentic vibe. Detailing your nightmare? Tap like if you're going all in. What are good indoor zombie decor elements? Use bloodied curtains, cracked mirrors, and hand-smeared windows. Place overturned furniture, flickering lights, and props like brain jars or severed limbs for a horror movie vibe. Transforming your space? Tap like if your interior's undead. How do I use lighting for a zombie look? Use green, blue, or red spotlights for eerie underlighting. Add strobes for tension, and place flickering lanterns near walkways. Glow-in-the-dark blood effects also work well at night. Let there be fright, like this if lighting is part of your plan. How do I make windows look like a zombie attack? Use clings of handprints, faces, and cracks. Backlight them for effect. You can also build silhouettes with cardboard cutouts or add fog for a dramatic, haunting atmosphere. Windows worth screaming at? Like this if you're making it visual. How can I set the zombie theme right at the door? Use tattered caution tape, bloody handprints, and faux wooden boards across your door. Add a sign that says quarantine zone or do not enter for that outbreak-style tension. Starting the scare early? Like this if your entrance sets the scene. How can I create a DIY zombie pit? Dig a shallow trench or use a large planter box. Fill with mulch and plant zombie arms, legs, or heads inside. Use motion sensor growls or hidden speakers to add terrifying sound effects. Building a pit of terror? Like this if your setup's getting serious. Can I make it kid-friendly without losing the theme? Yes, use cartoonish zombies, glow sticks, slime jars, and silly brains. Choose colorful lighting, toned-down gore, and friendly signage like "Zombies ahead, enter if you dare." Spooky, not scarring? Like this if you're decorating for all ages. Can I create a zombie scene with mannequins? Yes. Dress mannequins or skeletons in torn clothes with fake blood, exposed bones, and gray-toned makeup. Pose them in creepy lunges or peeking from behind furniture or doors. Living dead mannequins? Like this if you're building a scene. Can I add motion or animatronics to my display? Absolutely. Use crawling zombie props, shaking heads, or rising coffin effects. Add motion-activated screams or growls to surprise guests as they walk by your scene. Want to freak them out? Like this if your decor comes alive. Whether you're planning a haunted house or just love Halloween horror, zombie decorations offer endless creative options. With the right mix of guts, grit, and detail, your place can be the ultimate undead destination. Feel the zombie spirit? Like and subscribe for more haunting ideas.